boost your affiliate commissions. Having your own website, dealing with consumers, refunds, product creation, and upkeep, are not required in the ideal world of affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest methods to start an internet business, and make extra money. What would you do next, if you're already a member of an affiliate program? Isn't it possible to double, or even quadruple your commissions? Here are some powerful tips on how to boost your affiliate program commissions overnight. Identify the most effective programs and items to market. Obviously, you'd want to advertise a program that allows you to make the most money in the quickest period of time. When choosing such a program, there are numerous variables to consider. Choose items that appeal to your target market, and that have a proven track record of paying its affiliates, promptly and easily. If you can't manage to raise your investments, get go of that program and hunt for something better. Link to conversion-optimized landing pages. Clicks aren't always converted into sales. To optimize your click potential, and boost your chances of making more affiliate sales, direct your traffic to the proper landing pages. Collect and save email addresses. Gather the email addresses of those who download your free ebooks, and keep them. It is a well-known truth that people do not buy on the first offer they get. To achieve a sale, you may need to send your message out more than 6 times. This is why you should collect the contact information of folks who have downloaded your articles and publications. You may contact these people again to remind them to buy anything from you. Get the contact information of a prospect before sending them to the vendor's website. Keep in mind that you are providing free advertisements for the product owners. You get paid only when you make a sale. If you send prospects directly to the vendors, chances are they would be lost to you forever. Use key performance indicators. It's nice to have a lot of hits on your affiliate links, but are these clicks resulting in sales? Vanity metrics are a waste of time. Concentrate on the figures that matter. KPIs, key performance indicators, are measures that are used to assess the efficacy of your marketing efforts. KPIs can inform you which campaigns have generated the most revenue, which campaigns aren't generating any value, and which campaigns need to be tweaked. Ask for a higher commission. Ask for a higher than normal commission from merchants. If you are already successful with a particular promotion, you should try and approach the merchant and negotiate a percentage commission for your sales. If the merchant is clever, he will most likely comply with your request, rather than risk losing a valuable asset in you. Remember that you are a low-risk investment for your merchant, so don't be afraid to ask for a raise in your commissions. Just try to be smart in your approach. Always update your product reviews. Reviews are powerful. Most of the customers read reviews online before purchasing a product. Your reviews can help generate traffic and increase your authority in the industry by providing value and expertise. Keeping your reviews up to date can increase your affiliate sales as well. Use your existing content in new ways. It's difficult to develop fresh material on a regular basis, yet current content hardly reaches its full potential in a single sitting. Try to adapt your material to work across several platforms to get the most out of it. Use this strategy to boost affiliate sales by reaching a bigger audience and attracting followers you may have missed the first time. Add new vendors to existing content. High-quality old material provides a slew of SEO advantages. This content can acquire organic search traffic and profit from link sharing, because it has been online for a longer time. By adding new merchants to your existing content, you may increase your chances of generating affiliate sales. Promote brand discounts. Deals and discounts, especially in affiliate marketing, are an efficient strategy to increase purchases. You may get campaign goals, target audiences, promotion content, and imagery ahead of a sale, depending on the brand with whom you're working. Try out these strategies, and see the difference they can make to your commission checks in the shortest of time. That's all for today folks, thanks for watching. If you liked the content, give it a thumbs up. See you soon.